check with Wayne unofficially. I believe you can probably leave it here on the grounds tonight. If you need to leave a trailer or something like that. Now here we go on the track. Our first driver down the track, Sage Boston, right there. Out there on the track tonight. And Nathan, Patrick Grace, 303 Chevy in the hole. Our next couple of trucks on the track here tonight. Nathan will run through on the starting line. And down the track he comes. You'll watch the tires come off the track. Our competitors will go back behind the concession trailers back into their pits. All right, roll call at the end of the track. Here we are. Tim Burke with the 2011 Chevrolet. Sled battle. Up first in that class, Sage Boston, Nick Morris, Jerry Snowden. Gentlemen, get ready to get down in the cockpit area. Stay with your truck. All right, here we go. Down the track. On the line right now, Patrick Grace. Good tonight. Let's go to the track and watch this Dodge come down the track right now. Tommy Stoughton. You know, I didn't know him, but that truck looks almost like Keith Sullivan's truck right there.